Within Estimation MEP, customizing your available items and assemblies that you can choose from during takeoff can be done in a couple of ways. Both located in the My Content tab, you'll find the Item Library and the Favorites list. Creating your own items can be done in the My Content tab in the Item Library. In the Item Library, you can organize item lists in any folder structure that suits your needs. Within the item lists, you can create your custom items with attributes such as catalog codes, labor units, and a dollar value. You also specify whether this is a length-based or count-based measurement. The My Content Item Library items will be visible within the Library selection under the Item Library drop-down in the takeoff screen. Within the My Content section, there's also a Favorites tab. In this section, you can create folders to organize easily accessible lists of commonly used items or assemblies. These will be accessible on the Favorites button within your takeoff screen.